Number 20. A point travels as described by the following parametric equation. So we have your x equal to 10t plus 10 cosine of pi t. We have also your y, which is equal to 10t plus 10 sine of pi t. And your z is equal to 10t. Where x, y, and z are in meters, all angles are in radians. Now, the vector loading at any time is termed as your position vector xi plus yj plus kz. So, determine the magnitude of the velocity. Okay? So, hanapin daw natin yung velocity magnitude. So, at the time t equal to 0.25. Okay? So, yeah. Take note po, velocity is equal to what? So, this is your derivative of your position with respect to time. Okay? So, from your dynamics of rigid bodies, okay? Derivative of your position vector with respect to time. Okay? So, therefore, ano po ang dr over dt? So, this is equal to v, and that is equal to ddt ng ano? Okay? ddt ng r. Ano yung r natin? So, this is xi plus yj plus zk. So, this is equal to dx dt times I plus dy dt times j plus dz dt times k. Yan. So, kukunin lang natin lahat ng derivative nito, i-multiply natin sa ijk. So, unahin natin yung dx dt na. So, dx dt at time t equal to 0.25. Okay, so from your DC naman, single variable lang naman yung ating i-derivative. Okay, so ddt ng ano? So that is 10t plus 10 cosine of pi t. So at time t equal to 0.25. But take note, meron po tayong cosine. So we will adjust your calculator or gawin nating radian mode yung calculator natin. Okay. Okay, radian mode, shift mode, radian. Ayan. So, shift integral po. Okay, so this will become 10x plus 10 cosine of pi times x. So, kung ano yung nag-open, siya na yung magko-close. So, dalawa po yung nag-open dito. So, isa lang yung dito sa kabila. So, magdadagdag pa tayo ng isa. Okay. So, at time t equal to 0.25. So, may 10 dito dapat, no? Ay, wala ba? Ay, wala. Pi lang. So, press natin yung equal. So, that is negative 12.214. Okay. So, dx dt now is equal to negative 12.214. Okay. Next is dy dt. So, at time t equal to 0.25. Okay, so ddt lang po ng y. Ano yung y natin? 10t plus 10 sine pi t. So, when t equal to 0.25. What's your dy dt now? Okay. So, that is palitan lang natin ito ng sign. So, this is 32.214. Okay. Lastly, yung ating z. Okay. So, derivative of your z component with respect to time at time t equal to 0.25. So, this is equal to ddt ng z. Okay, z component. So, this is 10. So at time t equal to 0.25. So derivative of your 10t with respect to t is 10. So with respect to time po yun. Okay, so where t is equal to 0.25, so that is equal to 10. Kung paki-check na kung 10 rin yung lalabas. Ano natin to ng 10t or 10x lang. Okay, so 10x. Yeah, 10. So therefore, velocity now is which is equal to, okay, dr over dt, and that is equal to negative 12.214. So this is I plus 32.214. This is in the j direction plus 10k. Okay, so kunin natin yung magnitude. So therefore, that is the square root of 12.214 squared plus 32.214 squared plus 10 squared. So this is equal now to 35.874. So the answer is letter C. Part 1, then part 2, then part 3. Okay. Number 21. So given A is equal to 5i plus 3j, B is equal to 2i plus kj. So where k is scalar, find k such that A and B are parallel. Okay, so take note po when we say parallel lines, so they do not cross each other. Okay, so ano lang, ito po yung ating itsura ng parallel line. So therefore, the angle between them is what? Okay, so your angle between them is 0. Okay, so theta is equal to 0. Now kapag kinuha natin yung dot product nito, so this is now equal to what? So this is A dot B is equal to magnitude of A times magnitude of B times cosine of your angle between them. Okay, for parallel lines po, theta is equal to 0. So what is cosine 0? This is 1. Okay, so therefore A dot B is equal to the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B. Okay. So konting manipulation lang to, no? Okay, so take note po, alam na natin yung manual computation ng dot product. Okay, so I sa I plus J sa J. Okay, so unahin natin si vector A. So yung I natin dito or yung x component is 5. I-multiply lang natin yan sa x component ng ating B. So that is 5 times 2 plus yung ating y component naman. So this is 3 multiplied by k. Okay. And this is equal now to your magnitude ng A times the magnitude of B. Okay, so simple lang rin yan. So this is the square root of 5 squared plus 2 squared. So that's your magnitude ng A multiplied by magnitude ng B. So this is 2 squared plus k squared. Okay, so konting ano lang po ito lang. Okay, konting manipulation lang or konting shape solve, makukuha na natin yung ating k. So 5 times 2 plus 3 times x is equal to the square root of 5 squared plus 2 squared. Close parenthesis multiplied by square root of 2 squared plus k squared or x squared. Then close parenthesis. So solve for x. Solve natin siya for x. Okay. So the answer is 2.704. So, tama ba ako nang ginawa? Ay, okay. So, 3 dapat ito na. Okay. Should be 3. Okay, 5 then 3. Ayan. So, mali yung ating ano. Okay. Live. Okay, so solve for x ulit. That is 1.2. Yan. 1.2 or ano yan sa ating choices? Siguro this is 6 over 5. Okay, so this is also equal to 6 over 5. Letter D. Okay. Ayan. Okay, next, let's move on to number 22. Suppose a work that has a magnitude of 6 pounds. So, yung F natin has a magnitude of 6 pounds. And H yung direction niya is pi over 6. And we are going to find the work done by F in moving along a straight line from the origin to the point 7, 1. So, this is not 7.1, no? Okay, 7, kuwit, then 1. Okay, so kung ano, para ma-visualize natin, kailangan natin siyang ikat. So, take note po, ito po yung F natin. This is the force. Okay, and this is your theta. So, this is pi over 6, no? And we have your 7.1 here. So, take note po, that is coming from the origin papunta sa point. So, from the origin going to the point. So, for example, this is 7.1. So, hahanapin po natin yung ating work from the force or from the origin going to the point. So, kumbaga ito siya. Ayan. So, yung formula po for the work, so take note po, work is a scalar quantity. So, ang ating final answer dito must be magnitude lang. Okay? So, therefore, work is equal to what? Okay? So, this is the magnitude, or sorry, this is the force. Okay? Vector of the force multiplied by, or take note po anong klaseng product ito. So, this is that. Okay? Scalar product po. That your direction. Okay, so this is from the origin, so take note. So let us denote this as O going to P. Okay, so from O going to P. So, hindi po siya unit vector, kundi ano lang po, it's just a position vector. So that's for work. Okay, yeah. And take note po, ating binigay na given is a polar form. So, i-convert muna natin po ito sa vector. Okay. So, paano po? Move to na lang tayo. So, take note po ulit, kapag real part, so this will be your x direction, or dyan mapupunta yung I. And for your imaginary part, dyan po mapupunta yung ating y direction. Okay, that's J. So, from your Argand plane. So, therefore, F now is equal to, so 6 bar angle. Okay, so, pi over 6 is, ilang degrees kaya ito? So, that is 180 over pi. So, 30 degrees. Ayan. 30 degrees po. So, that is what? Okay, in rectangular. Mode 2. So, 6 bar angle 30. So, this is 5.196. So, this is I plus 3G. Okay? Then, yung ating position vector OP, this is what? Okay, so this is your destination. So, from point P, RP, minus yung ating r yun dun sa origin. So this is equal now to 771 minus 0, 0. Okay, so therefore, your vector now here is 7, 1. Okay, 7i plus 7, or sorry, plus 1g. So, ready na tayo. Take note po. Okay, so meron na tayong vector A. And meron na tayong ikalawang vector. So, which is yung direction nyo. Okay, so this is represented as P na lang. So, mode 8 ulit tayo. Then, let us declare all the vectors again. Vector A, so that's for the force, okay? So, 5.196. This is I plus 3J. Then, 0K. Then, shift vector dimension for the second vector, vector 2. Then, 3 dimensions. Okay, so this is 7, 1, 0. Then, press AC. So, your work now will be what? Okay, work will be equal to the force. Okay, so vector A dot vector B. So vector A dot vector B. Okay, so this is equal to 39.372. And that is letter B. So letter B. Okay, part 1. Then part 2. Okay, number 23. So find the two vectors or two unit vectors whose representation and with initial points, okay, nanggaling po sa 2, 4, and they are normal to the parabola. When we say normal, okay, this is perpendicular. Perpendicular to the parabola x squared is equal to y, or y is equal to x squared there. Okay, so i-visualize lang natin. Okay, so if this is the parabola, okay, so ito po yung 2, 4 natin. Okay, so yung line na hanapin natin is that dapat perpendicular dun sa ating parabola. Normal to the parabola. So, ang una lang gagawin natin dito is to get the slope lang. Okay, so let's get the slope. Okay, so by setting m equal to your y prime. Okay, so that is y is equal to x squared. So therefore, y prime now is equal to 2x. Okay, so yan. So therefore, your m now, or the slope, the line, is equal to 2x. Okay, so 2x at a certain point. So saan siya nag-pass through? Sa 2, 4. So by setting your x equal to 4, makukuha na natin kagad yung slope na 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Then we will now apply your point slope form. Point slope form para makuha natin yung equation. Okay, so take note po, ang given lang dito from your analytic is that the slope and a point. Okay, so kompleto naman tayo dito, may slope, may isang point tayo. So therefore, this is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. So ano po ang gagawin natin dito? So substitute lang. So y minus 4 is equal to the slope, which is 4, multiplied by the quantity x minus yung x sub 1 natin, which is 2. Okay, so point pa rin lang yung gagamitin natin dito. So therefore, this will become y minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 8. Okay, so therefore, ano gagawin natin dito? Transpose lang natin. Okay, so itong 4x, nandiyan yan. So 4x po. Transpose na lang natin yung y sa kabila. So this is minus y. Then transpose natin yung 8 sa kabila. So this is positive 8 minus 4. So this is positive 4. So, ano po, ang kukunin lang natin dito kapag vectors, yung ating x and y notation. Okay, so this will become 4i minus y. Okay, so this is your, j. Okay, 4i minus g. So, ito po yung ating vector na desired dito. Okay, pero take note, vector pa lang po. So, hindi pa natin natatapos yung unit vector. So, kunin natin yung unit vector. So, ano po ba ang unit vector? So, vector over your absolute value ng ating vector. Okay, so this is equal now to 4i minus j all over with the magnitude. So, that is the square root of 4 squared plus 1 squared. So, therefore, this is what? A4 all over 1 squared plus 4 squared. So, this is equal to 4 square root of 17 all over 17. Or that is 4 over 17 times square root of 70 times I. Okay. Then, minus, okay, so yung sa j naman, so ano yung coefficient yan? So, this is negative 1 po. All over the magnitude. So, yan po. Negative 1 all over 17 times square root of 70. Okay? So, yan po ang ating desired vector. Okay, from here, meron na tayong even, okay, dito, okay, which is eto, okay, sa letter E natin. Sir, bakit dalawa? Okay, take note po, yung isang direction dito is yung pataas, okay? So, take note po for vectors, unidirectional lang yan, okay? Unlike sa line na pwede mo siyang i-extend, okay? So, magkabila ang side, okay? Dito, unidirectional lang. Isa lang yung patutunguhan niyang direction. And, since dalawang vectors yung mapoproduce natin dito, yung isang pataas at yung isang pababa. Okay? So, papalitan lang natin yung sign ng isa. Okay? So, times negative 1 lang. So, ito siya. Papalit lang ng sign. So, letter A. Okay, let's have number 24. Okay, picturean nyo muna. So, part 1. Wala. And part 2. Okay, next, number 24. If r prime is equal to sine of sine squared t, I plus 2 cosine squared t, j, and r of pi is 0, we are going to find r of t. Okay, so take note po, ang binigay po sa atin is r prime. Okay, so out of this r prime daw, hahanapin natin yung r of t given yung ating r of pi is equal to 0. Okay, pero may napapansin ba kayo? Okay, so yung given po natin na particular limits or yung ating initial boundary, I should say. Okay, so naka-r lang po. Okay, so ibig sabihin at a certain value which is pi, magsi-0 po yung ating r. Okay, so which is ano yung mga r natin? So nasa choices yung mga yan. Okay. So bakit kaya why not na lang na i-trial and error na lang natin to? Okay, take note po, r of 0 or sorry, r of pi is equal to 0. So, ano ibig sabihin po pa yan? Okay? So, at t equal to pi, your r will be equal to 0. Okay? So, hahanap po tayo ng sa choices natin wherein kapag sinubstitute daw natin yung pi, yung ating resulting value of your r will be equal to 0. Okay? So, sige, trial and error tayo. And take note po, your calculator must be in radians kasi naka-trigonometric functions tayo. At puro pa yung ating inaano. Okay? Pinakalk. Okay? So, let's try letter A. Okay? So, that is 0.5. So, 0.5 sine of 2t. So, 2x na lang po. Ayan, that is plus pi. Okay? So, calc lang natin yan. So, 3.14. So, that's pi I. Then, yung ating J component or that's your Y component. Okay? So, magiging minus lang po ito. So, solve or calc natin po. 3.14. So, that is negative po. Negative pi J. Ayan. So, if we will get your magnitude of this, so is it equal to 0? The answer is no. So, hindi po siya equal to 0. So, wrong na tong letter A. So, letter B po tayo. Okay? Sine 2ti. So, sine 2xi. So, mayroon kaya siyang coefficient. So, when t is equal to pi, so 0. So, 0i. Then, plus cosine 2t. Palitan lang natin to ng cosine. Okay, calc lang natin. 3.14. Okay, so 1 po. Okay, so G or 1J. So, ano po ang nito? Okay, magiging resultant nito. Okay, or yung ating magnitude. So, this is equal to 1. Okay, pero take note po. So, this is not equal to 0. Okay? Or this is not equal to 0. So, wrong way po ito. Okay, so try natin letter C. Okay, how about letter C naman po? Okay, medyo mahaba-haba lang yung letter C. So, this is 0.5 times the quantity t, which is x, minus 0.5 sine of 2x. Okay, minus pi. Okay, so shift times 10 to the x. Okay, so close lang natin. So, calc lang natin yan. 3.14. So, 0i. Then, plus. So, dapat mag-0 rin po yung ating G dito para yung magnitude natin 0 rin. Okay, so, ano papalitan lang natin dito? So, ito magiging plus. Tapos, yung dito sa kabila, minus. Yan. Calc lang natin yan. So, this is 0. 0J rin. So, therefore, 0 now is equal to 0. Okay, so, ito, pasok ito. Okay, when t equal to 0, r is equal to 0. So, try pa natin si letter D na. Okay, baka pwede siya. Okay, so kapag pwede siya, let's go back to your conventional way na kung saan mag-integrate tayo. So, this is x sine 2x. Okay, so that's I. Kapag meron na itong value, okay, wala nang possibility na mag-0 pa yan. Okay, so okay, yung ating x component, 0. How about yung y natin? Meron pa kaya? Okay, so dagdagan lang daw natin ito ng pi. So, calc lang natin siya. Okay, so take note po, meron pong value yung j, okay, which is not equal to 0. So, ang pumasok lang po dito is letter C. Yun na po yung sagot. Okay, so next tayo. So, number 25. If A is equal to 2, 4, and B is equal to 4, negative 3, find the magnitude of 7A minus B. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin dito? I-represent na lang natin to or i-declare as vector A. Tapos yung letter B natin, this is vector B. Okay? So, then mode, tayo? Mode 8. Okay? So, yan. Mode 8 po. So, 3 dimensions na lang para mas mas madali. So, this is 240. Okay, press AC. Then, shift vector dimension para sa second vector natin. So, this is vector B. Okay, which is 3 dimensions. Okay, 4, negative 3, then 0. Okay, press natin AC. Then, i-type lang natin po absolute value of 7 VCTA minus VCTB. Then, makukuha na natin yung sagot. So shift height, which is your absolute value. So shift vector, okay, vector A. So this is multiplied by 7. Okay, lagyan ko na 7 sa harap. Minus shift vector, okay, vector B. So this is equal to 32.573. Or that is approximately equal to square root of 1061. Pakicheck nga po. The square root of 1061, is it equal to 32.573? The answer is yes. Okay. Letter B. Okay. Next tayo, number 25 and 26 na. So, if A is equal to VCT A tayo, no? Okay, so this is equal to 3, 5, negative 3K. Then, yung ating B, or let's say this is VCT B. So, this is negative 1, negative 2, this is 3. Then, lastly, yung ating VCT C. So, this is 2, negative 1, then 4. Okay, find the component of B. Okay, in the direction of 2 minus 2, in the direction of A minus 2C. Okay, so in the direction of A minus 2C. Okay, so anong gagawin natin? Component of B, okay, na nasa direction ng A minus 2C. Okay, parang ang ginawa lang natin dito is that nag-project lang tayo. Okay, so for example, this is your component B, okay, VCT B. Ipupunta daw natin to sa direction ng A minus 2C. Okay, so yan. So A minus 2C. So ano gagawin natin dyan? I-project lang natin yan. Okay, so hindi siya ano, yan. Project lang natin yan. Okay, so ito po yung projection. So, scalar projection lang po kasi we are going to find only just the component or the magnitude of this, or yung tinatawag natin length, okay? But however, kunin muna natin tong si A minus 2C. So, take note po, A minus 2C is equal to what, okay? So, yung ating 3, 5, negative 3, okay? Ima-minus natin sa twice of your vector, C. So, this is 2, negative 1, then 4. Yeah. So, ito na ngayon yung bago natin magiging direction. Let's call this na lang as vector A na lang ulit. Okay? So, hindi ko na muna i-declare si vector A at saka si vector C. Ayan. So, kaya ito ng mano-mano. Okay? So, vector A is equal now to what? Okay? So, sige. Vector A tayo. So, 3 dimensions. So, this is 3 minus 2 times 2. So, negative 1. The next, 5 minus 2 times negative 1. So, 5 minus 2 times negative 1. So, this is 7. Okay. Then, next is negative 3 minus 2 times 4. So, this is negative 11. So, ito po ngayon yung direction natin. Okay? So, VCTA yan. So, this is your A minus 2C na. Okay? So, take note po, scalar projection yung gusto natin. So, scalar projection or your component ng B. Okay. Component ng B. So, this is VCT B. Okay, VCT B. Dadat natin sa saan. Okay, take note po. Ipupunta natin sa direction lang ng A minus 2C. So, therefore, unit vector lang dapat yung nandito. So, unit vector nino ng A minus 2C. All over. So, yan. Yan na yun. Okay. So, So, which is nakadeclare to saan? Sa VCTE. Okay. So, hindi pa nakadeclare yung ating vector B. Okay, kunin muna natin yung vector B. So, shift, vector, dimension, vector B. Okay, so, number 1. So, this is negative 1. This is negative 2. This is 3. Then, press AC. Yan. Okay, so, yan natin. Kunin natin yung dot product. Okay, so, VCTA. So, dadat natin yan sa VCTB. Okay, pero take note po, unit vector po ang gusto natin. Okay, so VCTB divided by its magnitude. Okay, magnitude is absolute value. Okay, equal to VCTB multiply that VCTA over absolute value ng ating VCTA. Parang baliktad yata yung ginawa ko. So, it should be VCTB. So, dyan tayo na naka-declare. So, ito po yung ating direction VCTE. Ayan. Divided by absolute value ng VCTE. Close, then close. Okay, so this is equal to negative 3.518. So that's your scalar projection. It's letter A. Okay. So part 1.